Let's break down DNS. It's one of the most fundamental, yet hidden, parts of the internet.
Your app can't just guess where to send stuff. It needs a very, very specific destination.
And here's the core problem, right? Machines talk in numbers, these IP addresses. We humans prefer names.
Just imagine telling your friends a long string of numbers. It's way too easy to mess up.
So we came up with a much better solution for us humans, the domain name, simple and memorable.
And this makes everything so much cleaner, not just for you, but for the developers too.
So how do we connect the two? Our names and the machine's numbers. Well, there's a system.
And that system is called DNS. Think of it like the internet's translator. Name in, address out.
Yeah, the best analogy for DNS is basically the internet's giant phone book.
Think about it. You remember Emma, not her number. You tap the name, the phone does the rest.
Okay, so let's see this whole phone book idea in action with our game. It's pretty cool. And all of this, it happens in a split second. Your game just connects, instantly. But here's where it gets really powerful. This is the hidden genius of using names over numbers. Can you imagine, if they used an IP address, every single app would have to be updated. What a nightmare.
But with the domain name, you just update one thing, the DNS entry. The name itself never changes.
So if you remember one thing, remember this. Humans use names. Machines use numbers. DNS is the bridge.
And that's really the whole thing in a nutshell. Names for us, addresses for them, DNS in the middle.
So that's how one request works. But what about millions at once? Well, that's a whole other story.